Beautiful 2022 Beta 200 RR 2-stroke. This thing looks absolutely wicked. Commonwealth Motorsports in Hayes, Virginia is putting on this demo day. If you're interested in buying a Beta, definitely reach out to them. I'll have a link in the description with their website link and their phone number. Definitely get yourself hooked up on one of these awesome Beta motorcycles through Commonwealth Motorsports. So we're going to take this 200 out. I ride a KTM 150 normally, so I feel like this is the most similar to my bike. I know it's going to have more torque. Good? Yeah, it's definitely got more torque than my 150 does, but you can still rev this thing out a lot because it is a smaller bore 2-stroke, and it really does like to scream, it seems like. It's cool. This thing has like a good amount of torque, but because it's a 200, I feel like I can really rev it out. Makes it fun to ride. Yeah, it's nice how much this thing lugs. But you can still, oh man, it still pulls really nice on top. Suspension feels good. It feels really nice and lightweight. It feels easy to flick it around through these trees. Some of the bigger bore 4-strokes and 2-strokes actually feel easier to ride than this though, because this doesn't have like a ton of torque like as much as the bigger bikes. I feel like I'm trying harder to stay on the front of it, on top of it, like when I'm really revving it out. Not short on power at all. This thing rips. Oh, busted off that tree a little bit. There we go. Hit that section. Way smoother. Oh yeah. It's so light and flickable. Like throwing this thing back and forth between the really tight single track trees. Man, this thing's wicked. Still got that 2-stroke pull where it Gives me arm pump way faster than any 4-stroke ever does. Okay, so if the 200RR had like the shock and the forks of the RR Race Edition, that might be my favorite one. It's just so nice and easy to flick around. It's so much fun to like rev it all the way out, but it still has the torque there when you need it. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed that little test ride video. Again, this whole event was put on by Commonwealth Motorsports. If you're interested in purchasing one of these Beta motorcycles, definitely give them a call or head over to their website, Commonwealth Motorsports in Hayes, Virginia. All right, guys, thanks. Talk to you later.